Ready to unlock a powerful tool for spotting potential breakouts and trend reversals on Bybit? Let's dive into setting up and using the EMA Ribbon indicator. First, head over to your Bybit trading chart. Look for the Indicators button, usually located at the top of the chart interface. Click it. This will open the indicator search window. Now, type EMA into the search bar. You will see Exponential Moving Average appear in the list. Select it. You will now see a single EMA line displayed on your chart. We need to add more to create the ribbon effect. Go back to the Indicators button and add EMA several more times. I recommend using around 5 to 8 EMAs for a good ribbon effect. Next, let's customize each EMA. Find the settings icon next to the Exponential Moving Average indicator name at the top left of your screen. Click this icon next to each EMA you have added. In the settings window, you will see the length input field. This determines the period for the EMA calculation. Set different lengths for each EMA to create the ribbon effect. I suggest using consecutive numbers for simplicity, like 9, 13, 17, 21, and 25. And there you have it. Your EMA ribbon is now set up. Observe how the price interacts with the ribbon. When the price is above the ribbon, it suggests an uptrend. Below the ribbon, a downtrend. The wider the spread of the ribbon, the stronger the trend. Use this indicator in conjunction with other technical analysis tools to refine your trading strategy on Bybit.